Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create expense categories in the Vehicle Wash Management System Seto. If you've ever looked at your company's expenses and thought, I need a better way to organize all of this, this is exactly the feature for you. Expense categories let you group your spending into clear, labeled buckets, making it much easier to track where your money is going. Let's get started. From the menu, click on Expense Categories. This opens up the section where you have all your expense category lists. You'll see any categories that have already been set up, and this is also where you'll add new ones. To create a new category, click the Add button. A simple form will appear where you'll fill in the details for the category you want to add. Click on the Name field and type in the name of your new expense category. Be descriptive and consistent. Names like fuel and transport, office supplies, or vehicle maintenance work much better than vague labels. The clearer the name, the easier it is for your whole team to use the right category every time they log an expense. You'll notice an Is Active toggle on the form. This controls whether the category is available for use across the system. Make sure this is switched on. If a category is inactive, it won't show up as an option when someone is logging an expense. We'll confirm the activation in a moment. Once your category name is filled in and the active status is set, click the Create button to save it. The new category is now added to your list and ready to be used. And that's all there is to it. Setting up expense categories is a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your financials clean and organized. The more structured your categories are, the easier it becomes to run reports and understand exactly where your business is spending its money. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.